Too much history, have you make it so hard to leave ya? Big old man thing, me not.
Hey guys, it's me Nekeisha and whatever, and I'm back again with another video. As you can tell by the title, today you guys will be watching me do a install video of this wig. So now this is a 13 by 6 613 wig, 24 inches. I believe this is 180 density, but I think it's 250 because it is pretty thick, but I really don't remember. It's been a while. The link to this wig will be down below in the description if I can find it, because I bought this wig like, I believe it was like a year and a half ago, but I only wore it one time, and that was on my 19th birthday. I looked so cute, and this color was giving, okay? So I had to do the color again, and I paid a lot of money for this wig, so I wasn't really trying to, you know, just wear it one time and throw it away. Like, I had to bring her back, but, you know, I just had to wait for the right moment, and I felt like right now was the right moment. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this look and this install, please keep watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know why my camera is doing that, like I'm not right here. But yeah, y'all, so I'm about to take some pictures and whatever. Just watch me install this wig, and I will see y'all in a few seconds. All right, bye. Okay guys, so it's me, and I'm back with my wig cap. You feel me? I'm just trying to get more comfortable with that. I have my vlog playing in the background. I was actually watching it because I actually do watch my videos because I find them entertaining. But anywho, about to get started. The wig is sitting pretty, like, I can't wait to put it on my head. Like, I know this is about to be so fire. Follow me on TikTok, because my TikToks are about to be lit. Okay, so I'm just wiping my forehead off with alcohol because there is makeup on my forehead from the cap. But I actually feel like I have to make the cap darker this time, because this hair is light. Like, this is a 613 wig, feel me? I just posted on Instagram so make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram. All right, y'all, so we about to see if the lace is a good color for my skin, and we're about to see the fit of the wig, so I know how to what lace, like, anyways. So we're supposed to figure this out, and the fit of the wig, and where I want to put it. I want to put it like right here, like right here. The edges are brown because of the makeup, but I'm gonna wipe all of that off. So I'm gonna lay everything in sections. Let me get my blow dryer. I'm gonna put 2 layers of Got To Be of this, and then I'm gonna go in with the freeze spray to top it all off. Y'all know the vibes. If you were in my last, if you watched my last video, like, y'all know what's up. That part is laid, and can we all together say what lace? Ready? What lace? Okay. Okay guys, so what I'm about to do is I'm gonna just spray this along the perimeter, and then I'm gonna put my elastic band and tie it down, and I'm gonna let my camera charge for a little bit, and I'm gonna come back when I start doing the middle part and stuff like that, because my camera is about to die. Okay guys, so yeah. Okay guys, so I'm back. It's been about like 30 minutes. I'm watching Pretty Iceland in the back. That's my girl. But now I'm gonna go in, and I made the middle part already, so now I'm gonna go on my hot comb and my mousse, and we're gonna lay the middle part.
But if you need some more protection for bulk mail for this, go to uline.com or usmailer.com. Read some mailers they be like, please be here. Someone look like everything. This is somebody that M-A-D. I asked my dad.
alright y'all, my camera about to die again, so I'm gonna come back when I'm cute.
I'd rather have it.
Okay guys, so this is the end result of two sides to the story. But yeah, here's the install for me. Here's the install. This is how she's looking. I really like it. I love this color on me. I'm about to go take some pictures, and these will be the pictures that are featured in the thumbnail. But I hope y'all really enjoyed this video. I love doing this install. It was really nice and quick. Oh, my smoothie. This install was really nice and quick, and we love a quick install. Okay, so this install was nice and quick, and this wig was already previously installed on my head, so I didn't have to bleach knots, so it was 613, but I didn't have to pluck it. I didn't have to do a lot of things, so it was just really easy. All I did was wash her and then dry her and then get her ready. But this color is really nice on me. It always has been. And I wanted to do like the crimpy look, but not like crimps, but like crimps. So I kind of did it, and I tried to like keep the top flat and like have the crimps ease their way in. That's kind of what I was trying to go for. I wish I would have put the crimps a little higher, like maybe to like right here, because I feel like I look kind of weird, but it's okay. Next time. But basically for the crimps, as y'all saw in the video, but in case you didn't really see, I just put water all over the hair. I braided them, sprayed water all over the hair, kind of let it air dry a little bit. Then I went in with the flat iron and I just pressed. All throughout the hair and on the braids, and basically just flat iron the braids. And here's the result. So I'm about to make some TikToks, and I'm about to take some pictures because I have a little ting to do. And then yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all. Am I ashy? And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.